Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can order your Krak app physical card. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Krak app, to order your physical debit card, you would just need to tap in the upper right corner on your card icon right here. From there, if you already have a virtual card, you would be able to see that card right here. But to order a physical debit card, you would just need to scroll down a bit, and then here on the get physical card option, just go ahead and tap on that. So here you have some info about the physical card. So the main point is that it's free. So to order it, just go ahead and tap on get your free physical card right here. Then here is your info that will be related to that card. So your name, your address, your city, etc, etc. Now just go ahead and take a look at this info, and if it's correct, you can just go ahead and tap on continue. So here is the shipping address. Now if this is not correct, you can customize it, or you can just select another shipping address that you would like the card to be delivered to. But I will leave it as the default shipping address, and just go ahead and tap on order card. And there we go. Now we ordered our Krak app physical debit card. So I will just go ahead and tap on OK. And then if I scroll up here, you would be able to see that new physical debit card appears right here. Now from here you can just freeze it, unfreeze it, or just generally manage your physical card. Now the card should arrive in about 2 weeks time frame. So essentially guys, that's how you can order your Krak app physical debit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.